Installing a fan can make any room more dynamic. The process is straightforward and is similar to wiring a light fixture. However, you will want to make sure that your fan installation is structurally sound. Replacing a light with a fan means that you need to change or reinforce the electrical box in the ceiling to accommodate for the extra weight and wiggle. You will need ladder, fan, retrofit ceiling fan box and brace, current detector, screwdriver, electrician's pliers. Safety first. Turn off the power to your light fixture at the source. Locate the appropriate breaker and switch it to off. Determine how your light is attached to the electrical box. Most will be secured with decorative nuts and mounting brackets. Use a current detector to double check that the power has properly been shut off at the source. Hold your light fixture to keep it from falling. Disconnect each of the electrical connections by unscrewing the wire nuts. You should be left with a black wire and a neutral white wire in your electrical box. Your electrical box may have a copper wire as well. If it does not, it's safe to assume that your electrical box is grounded. Next, we're going to remove the bracket and expose the old electrical box. Light fixture boxes need to be replaced with something that can support 70 pounds. There are two options, a safety brace or a pancake box. Safety braces are inserted into the ceiling hole and expanded to grip the joists and provide stability. Or you can use a pancake box and attach it directly to the ceiling joist. In this case, we're working with a concrete ceiling, so we'll attach the fan directly to the existing box using the mounting bracket included with our fan purchase. The bracket holds the ball and shaft of the fan in place. Use 2 screws to attach your mounting bracket to the electrical box. To mount your fan, it is essential to pass both the mounting rod and the wires through the fan canopy. Your fan will come with long wires. Cut them to the length you wish to have the fan hang. Slide the fan's mounting rod and ball up into the bracket. This should hold your fan up in the air while you wire it. You will first need to make sure that each of the electrical wires in both the fan and electrical box are ready for a connection. Cut the wires to whatever length necessary and strip them back about ½ an inch to expose braided metal wire. In this case, our mounting bracket comes with a grounding wire. Connect green to green by twisting them together using a wire nut. Connect white to white, trimming any excess wire. Our fan is on a single switch, so the wire for both the fan and the light will be attached to the black wire using a wiring nut. Then do the same thing with your white wires, connecting them with a wire nut. Next, you will need to attach the canopy to the mounting bracket using the hardware provided. Now you will follow the manufacturer's instructions for attaching the fan blades. Now, to attach the blades, they must be held in the air while they are screwed into the fan motor. Attach the light cage. And you are finally ready to put in light bulbs and attach the decorative glass provided. Turn your power back on at the breaker. If your fan wobbles or makes any loud noises, you may need to balance it following the manufacturer's instructions or to tighten the blades. Easy breezy.